Calculator team, we're starting Unit 5 next week. I was just going to talk to you about what we're going to be teaching and where all the resources were located. In the P drive, on Southern Math, 6th grade, and Unit 5. And here is everything for this unit. I'm just going to be talking about next week. So next week, if we look at the lesson plan, it has been updated. We start out with modeling ratios on Monday. Then on Tuesday, we're just going to be introducing rates. Wednesday, we're going to be looking at scale factors, tables, and proportions on rates and ratios. Then Thursday, we're going to be setting up and solving proportions, or setting them up, and then on Friday, we're going to be solving proportions. Okay? So if we look at in here, modeling ratios, you have your notes. Then we have our Lucky Charms activity also that we're doing. Take note that we're going to be using them with a colon and as a fraction, instead of being a ratio multiple different ways. Then there is the task cards for them to practice, and then more practice problems. Lots to do that day, along with passing out the warm-up with the drill and also the homework. Okay, so day 2. There are just introductions to rates. We're going to be teaching them how to divide the two numbers. And then there is the rate practice, lots of good word problems here. The next day is scale factors, tables, proportions. This is something how it's been tested in the past with the scale factor and then also with the table. And then there is a PowerPoint here which helps you build a little bit more information with tables with your students. Day 4, jumping into proportions, setting them up, cross multiplying and solving. They've heard a lot and will use a lot the language baseball bat and baseball. If you don't know what that is, ask one of your mentor teachers. And then another PowerPoint with a lot of proportion practice. On that Thursday, some teachers have planned to do IXL on this day also. IXL lessons to pull there. And lastly, on Friday, we're going to be doing our FTP quiz. It's a short day, and then just more practice with all the rates, ratios, and proportions. Okay.